grip, the knee, go underneath the armpits, hold the arm again, lift your leg up, roll, and put your knee behind his head, on the back of his head. If you want to hold your own gi, hold your own gi. Hold his collar, the hand underneath the armpit, hold his arm, lift your leg up. You're going to roll, put your knee behind his, on the back of his head. If you want to hold your gi, hold your gi. So you're going to get your grip. The variation, okay? Choke number 37, weight number 2. Got your grip here. You're going to lift one leg up, you're going to lift the other leg up. Now you're going to bring his arm here. Look. Bring his arm towards your chest. Sit back. And it's over. One more time. You're going to do, everything is the same. Number 1 and number 2. But you bring your leg up. Now you're going to have to bring the other leg up and bring his arm towards your chest. And then you're going to sit back. I hold my belt here. Now you understand why